Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will tell you why you need to sprinkle salt on your feet. This procedure is very simple, so if you want your legs to be beautiful and healthy, do this. Take a basin or a deep bowl and pour 3 liters of warm water into it. The water temperature should be 35 degrees Celsius. Next we will need sea salt. It is better to use coarse sea salt. Add 3 tablespoons of salt to the water and soak your feet in the resulting salt solution. This foot bath will help make your feet not only beautiful and well-groomed, but also healthy. It helps fight various diseases and also serves to prevent unpleasant odor and fungus. Salt foot baths relieve fatigue, moisturize and fight germs. They also relieve swelling and improve blood circulation in the legs. This foot bath should be done for 15 to 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. When time has passed, use a foot file to clean off all rough skin. If you have very dry heels or cracked heels, take salt baths regularly and you can completely get rid of them. After a salt bath, rough skin and nails become softer and you can easily get your feet in order. If you wear high heels or are in closed shoes all day, your feet sweat, get tired and accumulate dirt, make a bath with salt. It will help your feet relax and cleanse them of bacteria. In addition to salt, you can add other ingredients to the water. For example, tea tree essential oil has an antifungal effect, pine essential oil improves blood circulation, and ammonia will help get rid of corns. After the salt bath, let your feet dry completely and apply your favorite foot cream. So friends, if you care about the beauty and health of your feet, I advise you to do this foot bath with salt. If the information was useful and you liked the video, put a like under it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.